And then the IDC said to us, "Oh no, we don't think this will work," and they didn't fund it. But they'd already made up their minds.
Yeah.
Retrospectively, I think they definitely regret that. But yeah, then we closed down the company.
Yeah. When I heard that, yeah, my friend, he was obviously he was there when it shut down, and obviously felt for him losing a job, but the yeah, the I was more attracted to the engineering side of things, and to see that like not materialize into something that is successful was disheartening. I mean, for me, completely on the outside, I can only imagine the emotions that you guys are going through.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it was very tough. I think there was a lot of anger, and it took me 13 years to write the book. A lot of forgiveness involved
Yeah.
along the journey, um, and yeah, we had to work through it because I mean, there were some uh, less nice things that happened along the way. We were accused of different, things, um, and that I deal with in the book. But the one
Okay.
thing I'm very grateful for is, as part of closing the company, the IDC did fund the severance packages for all the staff.
Okay.
And so that cost them quite a bit of sort of extra money. Um, they could have just allowed us
Yeah.
to be bankrupt in a bad way, but we could settle our debts, and actually close the company in an orderly way.